Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. My last day with my baby because I have already posted an ad for it and it's been sold. I'm for sure gonna miss this. She has taken me to the bads and goods, and I'm just here waiting for Vishal so that we could just go up till this high tech city and drop off the bike over there, because the seller lives, like, the buyer lives there, and I am also having some work over there, so we'll go there and we'll see. Chalo, we'll see you on the bike then. Chalo, let's go give them the bike. And I also have to collect the laptop from my office.
A few moments later.
And I'm thinking to take an 600i. I'm thinking to take an 600i, which is an upgrade for this, and it will take around like 4 months for me, have to put together all the money and stuff to get that bike, and also have to convince my parents getting such a big bike.
12 seconds later.
There is no such a major problem with this bike. I'm just selling it off because I'm bored. What the? Yeah, you can see my bike. We just interchanged our bikes, so I am on the N-Torque. I've never been listening to my exhaust sound while standing on the back side, because every time I have my bike, I drive. I don't lend my bike to anyone because I don't feel like giving it. So as I'm already selling it, he wanted to buy, so I gave him to drive till the destination today, to the location where we're gonna meet the buyer. So chalo, aisa chal raha. Oh, we are just stuck in this jam, but since past 30 minutes it's going like this itself. I'm feeling so good to have this scooty when there is so much of traffic. It's very hard to be on a super bike.
1 hour later.
I don't know, I'm feeling so sad. Getting closer and getting nearby, I'm just feeling so sad that I have to give off my bike. Oh wow, क्या ट्रैफिक है सीन. I don't know what happened today in this road. There is so much of traffic. There used to be, but not this much. See the beast. We'll see if I am also thinking to check out this 302R. We'll see what happens.
Meanwhile,
Exchanging the bikes. I wanted to drive my baby for one last time. Whew. It feels so good, man, to drive this deadly beast. It's not so deadly, actually. It depends on the driver. Wow. I don't know the route actually. I'm leaving Vishal behind. Have to follow him, bro. Better straight, huh? Actually, it's showing just 1 kilometer from here. We need to take a next right. On third gear. $28. I need to take this right.
20 minutes later.
Stop my bike over here. Chalo, let me give him a call.